Good morning, boys and girls. So when you click on your Groundhog Day worksheet, you click on it, begin with Google, and then you click on your name, and here's your Groundhog Day worksheet. So it says meet Punxsutawney Phil. Just put your name right here. It says Groundhog Day is important because, so type in your answer. If Punxsutawney Phil sees his shadow, what happens? Type in your answer. If he doesn't see his shadow, type in your answer. What happens? Punxsutawney Phil spends his time where?
Good morning.
And type in your answer. So think about where he spends most of his time. Punxsutawney Phil's favorite food is, what do groundhogs like to eat? Type in an answer. Punxsutawney Phil laughs when? Just make it up and be silly and be creative. Punxsutawney Phil likes to wear? Again, just make it up and be silly and have fun with it. Punxsutawney Phil likes to hide in. Where does he hide? Just like where does he spend most of his time? That'll be the same answer, where he hides. Punxsutawney Phil is always, just be creative and fill something in. And the last one is, I love Punxsutawney Phil because he blank. All right, and then don't forget, when you're done, I'm done, and then it will submit it to me. Have a great day. Enjoy. Bye.